Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be making a very simple meal. We're going to make some rice, salmon and asparagus on the side. Without further ado, let's get straight to the video. So here are the things you're going to need: some salmon, some rice, bacon and asparagus, butter. You can either use salted or unsalted, paprika, turmeric, garlic powder, black pepper, soy sauce and honey, some sriracha or some hot sauce, and salt. I'm gonna go straight into the salmon. So just marinate a little bit with black pepper on each side, paprika, garlic powder. I'm gonna wrap all this like lightly, just rub it together, like make sure it spreads all over the salmon. Sit for a few seconds as you're making the sauce to also cook. So I'm gonna use some honey, some soy sauce and some sriracha. Mix that together and make my sauce. Mix that up till it gets such a thick sauce, and then we get ready to start cooking our salmon. Now we're gonna cook our salmon. We're gonna go in with a little bit, not a little bit of butter, a lot of butter. Place your salmon with the skin side down first. Cook it for very few minutes and then turn the other side so that it can like really cook well on the other side. And then as that is cooking, you can throw in some few lemons there. As our salmon is cooking, I'm gonna start preparing my simple turmeric rice. I was adding turmeric to get the yellow color. So here's my 1 cup of rice. I'm gonna wash it, then boil it, just add a little turmeric in. Now I'm gonna turn my salmon onto the other side, which I'll let cook for at least a bit long. Just let it cook a little bit long, and then I'm gonna put my sauce on top and it's cooking. So our rice is already in. I'm just gonna add some very little amount of the turmeric. This just helps with the yellowing of the rice. Doesn't change the flavor or anything. Just like little amount according to like the rice you have. And then some salt. And leave our rice to just boil. And throw in some salt. Mix that well. And then leave it to boil. So here's the sauce we made. So I'm just gonna pour that on top. Keep adding as it cooks. And let all that cook together. And then prepare our asparagus. This one's I'm gonna be putting them in the oven today. So I'm cooking asparagus wrapped in bacon, and I'll show you how to prepare them. So all you have to do is very simple. You have your bacon and your asparagus. Just pick, I want to make 4 pieces today, so just separate your asparagus into like 4, just like that. And then what you can do is apply some little bacon, however, butter, apply your butter in the asparagus however you want to, anywhere, just spread it. And then get your bacon and just wrap, like just wrap it. Just like that. Very simple. Again, checking your salmon once in a while. Then add our final sauce, and that will be done. So our salmon is ready. I'm just gonna turn the heat off and just let the rice cook. It's almost ready. And then here's our asparagus ready to go into the oven for about 8 minutes there, so that even the bacon can cook good. My oven was already preheated, so I'm just gonna put them there. Our turmeric rice and our asparagus is ready. So all I'm gonna do now is plate, and then thank you guys for being with me throughout the video. So here's our already prepared meal, looking so delicious. So I'm just gonna go enjoy it. Please, if you like the video, subscribe, like and comment, and share if you can too.